pretending that it's fall. Hi guys, what's up? It is Zipporah here, and I have been loving that trend and eating it up, pretending that it's fall. So that is exactly what we will be doing today. If it is fall, I'm feeling a little spunky. Like, I am such a girly girl, as you guys can tell, but also like with edge. So I'm kind of thinking of doing a little hair makeover on this fall day. It's like right after July, the 4th of July. So, you know, basically fall. I'm using these extensions. I use the Winter Life ones. They actually like upped their quality, which was freaking amazing. So I've been doing those and I partner with them on TikTok. So like, love them. And so yeah, I just have like a bunch of like extras and stuff from different times that we've worked together. Black color pops. I have this set of black. Ooh, so like this plus blonde. And I have some like darker blondes too, just because like it matches my hair better if I do a mixture. I think the first step is gonna be, do I wanna wash my hair? I feel like I should. I feel like I should do like a good, I'm just so excited. But that's like my favorite hack. Whenever you don't know your color, just get like one too light, one too dark, blend them together, and then once they're like together, you can't even tell. And just let me know if you guys would like a more in-depth video of how I put in my tape and extensions. Okay guys, so extensions are installed. Now I just need to go through and kind of cut it so then it's less of like this bluntness. I'm just gonna go through, add some layers in there. I'm literally doing the butterfly cut. Like, it's been so long since I've went like dark on my makeup. It's kind of like wild to see. The curls curled. Ooh, and you see the black sticking through. This is so exciting. I like to use like aesthetic and style to manifest. And I need a little bit more pep in my step, just like with hustling and stepping into some fierceness. So I feel like adding a little bit of edge back in helps me kind of grasp and embody that. That's the word, embody. Ooh, wow. All right, I'm gonna go finish filming my transition videos for TikTok, and then we are going to go have our little cozy fall day. Kind of giving like Christina Aguilera, but also like a little bit of that like spooky fall touch. Like, obsessed. And this is my outfit of the day. It is like 100 degrees outside, but honestly, I'm more of like a pant person anyway. Like, I just like being cozy, and I feel like anytime, if I'm not like adventuring outside, stores always have AC and I get cold. So I tend to just kind of like wear layers anyway. Being budget friendly, I'm actually gonna make myself my drink because I've been loving like a chai latte, and I feel like peach flavor. I do peach and cinnamon, and also just like decaf, so I can get this as decaf. Also, these were my nails from the 4th of July. That's how you know it literally just happened. That's so funny. Love that for me. Drinky time. And now I actually do need to run to Hobby Lobby and grab some Rub and Buff because I just wired sconces yesterday. I'm an electrician, in case y'all didn't know. So yeah, Hobby Lobby, I want to run to Michael's, but the closest Michael's is like 15 minutes away. But I want to peek. And then maybe some thrifts. So we'll see what I can make it. I started my period, so I'm a little bit tired already. And doing my hair took a lot out of me. We'll see. I'll let you know. Well, I mean, you'll see. I saw these LED candles. All right, my next stop being Michael's. They had some of their Halloween collection out already, and I absolutely am obsessed. I am heartbroken that their prices have gone up as much as they have. But I do feel like a lot of the pieces would be adorable for year-round use. So definitely checking out their sales or clearance items. On another note though, their propagation stations are absolutely to die for. Definitely giving apothecary, definitely giving witchy in all the ways. So it started to rain, which is kind of super cozy. They did not have their 3 for $9 candles, which was what I was hoping for. They did have some really good smelling fall candles, but none of them were on sale. So a little bit of a bummer. I got some sneaks though of the good that they had. I think I'm gonna try At Home and then maybe Ross or TJ Maxx for a candle, but maybe some foliage from At Home if they have any. So was absolutely blown away that so much was already out this early in July. But At Home, I feel like, has always been known to release their stuff super early, and they were actually in the middle of putting things out as I was looking through. But they had a lot of really cute, like, girly creepy things, just stuff that would be really cute year-round as well, like those pillows, absolutely to die for. Also, I was giggling because just severed feet next to towels, very Florida, very casual. And their outdoor selection, I was gagged. It is so whimsy, like all of the mushrooms, the frogs, they had some like really cute turtles as well, and it just made me really want to decorate my yard. This will be like the first year as a homeowner that I could actually decorate and go as hard as I want and actually, like, I don't know, it was just such an exciting feeling to daydream. Also, At Home has the best prices on foliage, so fun little hack. Okay, At Home was a score. I found a couple of really cute things. I actually grabbed something for my boyfriend in his place because they have like a Western Halloween theme, which was so cute. Absolutely loved it. And got some like fall garland. I will forever swear by At Home for their fall garland because it's like $7.99. And I've always gone there for it just because hands down it's the best. It's full, it's lush. Like, why would you not? $7. So, and then I also got a cute mug because it's like a girly ghost cowboy mug. I just pulled up to TJ Maxx. So we're gonna go in there and see what else we can find. I don't like buying from their art section, but this Romeo and Juliet was calling to me. They really didn't have that much out though. I did end up going to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Ross, and Home Goods had this really cute section. The pumpkins, so cute. I had to kill a little bit of time before my Walmart pickup for some groceries, so I ran by the thrift store, and it was so busy. I forgot it was half off day, so I'll show you the tea that I got there, and we'll do a little haul when we get home. All right, so this is my haul. I grabbed this for my boyfriend. He has like a cowboy theme. I got this as a mug to keep at his place. I got 2 of these garlands because like I love the pinks in them. And then I got 3 new bath towels and a thing of hand like face towels because I have some family coming to stay with me for a couple weeks and I just want to make sure that I have enough towels for everyone. So. And then I also got some things thrifting. So, this is like a beach towel, but I don't actually have any beach towels and they're so expensive. So I thought this one was cute and it's pretty big, so I'm gonna wash that. And then I got this prettiest tablecloth that I thought would just be stunning to turn into a dress. So there's that. And last but not least, I got this picture frame for $1. It's plastic. Everything was half off too, so that was exciting, but I figured this could be a cool craft. So, yep, that's all I got. And now that I'm home, I decided it is time for a little sweet treat, and I am just making myself some pumpkin brownies with ice cream. Hey guys, I am home. My boyfriend actually surprised me with brownies and oranges outside of my home when I got back. He had them DoorDashed over, so that was super sweet because I am on my period and just really craving brownies. So I have this pumpkin pie sauce that I'm gonna put on. I just heated up the brownies, so good. My favorite brownies ever are from Target, and I'm a freak. I need to eat ice cream with a fork. So on the couch, I'm gonna watch some Vampire Diaries, and I'm gonna get some drawing done for work because I am about to go on a work trip that's fly across the country. So